Hey there, in this video I'll show you how to remove the background of any image right here on your MacBook. And keep watching as I'll also show you a website where it can do the same thing, and that's totally free. So let's start with this image of this beautiful red Ferrari. Let's close this picture and we go to the actual file and right click on it, then come down this context menu and keep going to quick actions. Then come across and go down to remove background. We'll click that, and as quick as you like, it's created a new image. So let's give that a double click. You can tell which one it is. It says removed, and there we have it. The background is removed. Very, very nice finish. It's not perfect, however, it's passable. Another alternative, as I was mentioning earlier, is a website. Now this website is called remove.bg/upload. So we go ahead and type this into the address bar on your browser. Brings up a page like this. And next we drag the original image to that point. So let's go here and let's just drag this right here. Now we can watch it do its magic. Strips the background, click download, allow, and we now have a second way that we can strip the background from a picture. So I hope you found that useful, and if you have, please give the video a thumbs up. It will help myself and help others find the video so they can too remove their backgrounds. Thanks very much for watching my video, and I wish you a great day ahead.